Lisa from Lisa's Crochet. Look what I made. Ha! Did you see it? Did you see it? Yes, I did. I was sent an email from our Pamela at Pamela's Adoring Crochet, and it was a very nice email, and she asked me if I would make her easy pocket shawl crochet tutorial, and I finished it, guys. Okay, so if I remember, I'll also insert a picture of me sewing on my pockets for this, because I don't have pins to pin it out, you know, to hold it down, and it was really dark when I was sewing my pockets on, so I had to sit in front of the back door with the back door wide open to get the sun in, because the yarn I chose is really dark. It's like almost, you know, working with black yarn. What did I use? I used Yarn Inspirations Bernay Cozy Style in the colorway Burgundy. And it's a number 4 weight yarn, medium number 4. And you remember I got this from like the tent sale from Yarn Inspiration. No, the tent sale is where? Anyway, I'll link that video here if I remember, as always. This big ball of yarn has 1,015 yards, and this is how much I have left. I figure I can get a hat as well out of it, but come here, guys, I gotta tell you, I don't like this yarn. No. Pamela, love your tutorial. Love your tutorial. And Pamela shows 2 ways to start it. Either with that foundation, I don't know what you call it, the foundation, well, foundationless, something like that. Or you can do like the chain of whatever and then go back in. Pamela, thank you very much. You really taught me, because I was always struggling with that foundationless crochet thing, and I was gonna do it. But because I wanted to do this in a lighter color so you guys could all see the textures and everything. Unfortunately for me, I was not going shopping, and yeah, the only amount of yardage I had was this color or nasty blue. I should have shown you. You know, my Yarn Inspiration orders. I got like this blue and I got this other nasty blue. So yeah, it was these choices. So I chose this one. So mine is in burgundy. There you go, guys. Whoops, I'm gonna fall off my chair again. So one of these pockets is kind of sewn on a little weird, but you know what? You don't even notice it, guys. And also, which I'm so behind on making videos, guys. I ordered some buttons, so I thought, can they see it? See this button here, guys? I got this button because I ordered some buttons. So is it there on the table? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Can you see it?
I can zoom in for a second.
Well, no. Can you just, whoops, can you see it? I was going to add, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, I was going to add this button to it, guys. For some, you know, whatever. Flair, je ne sais quoi. I don't know. But the holes here, guys, in this button, they're so tiny that I need none of my, you know, the crochet hook needly things that you sew in your ends with. None of them fit through these holes. So, that was not happening. My eyeballs can't see thin. Anyway. So, and I added like a lot of fringe to mine. lot of shakety shoo. Oh, and this is how I do my fringe. So I took this book and I take my yarn and so I just go wrap, whole bunch of wraps, right? And then I cut it here, and then I have all my fringes, so I don't have to sit there and measure cut, or yeah. So this is how I do mine, whatever measurement I need, right? Like, okay, so let's pretend I wanted shorter ones, and I'd use, you know, something like this, or, you know, if I wanted shorter ones, then I'd wrap it around here, yeah. So that's how I did my fringe. So yeah, I did it. I completed it. I'm happy. Do you remember, guys, like months ago when this whole pocket shawl craze started, I tried a few. But anyway, thank you so much, Pamela, for asking me and your wonderful comments. And I felt, you know what, she's asked some more people, and I don't know. I know Classy Kim has put up her video, and Ola Joe has put up her video. She made one as well. So yeah, guys, get on the bandwagon for Pamela's Adoring Crochet. What's it called? Now I've wrapped my book up. Anyway, I will put the link in the description box below. But it was an honor to be, you know, when I saw Classy Kim, it was like, ooh, Classy Kim made one? Ooh, I feel so honored to be asked. I was honored to begin with, because it was like, wow, somebody actually wants me to make their stuff and show it off. Like, hello. Sorry, that was like, ooh, I felt, what did I feel?
Flattered.
Flattered, yes. So thank you, Pamela. Easy pocket shawl crochet tutorial. Okay, guys, get this on your hooks. I will link Pamela's tutorial below in the description box. And if I remember, I will put Classy Kim. She made one. And Ola Joe, the crocheting sailor, she made one. So if I remember, I'll put those two in the description box below. So what do y'all think? You love it? Yeah, it is easy. Oh, I didn't cut that. It's sewn in. My hands are sewn in. I just didn't cut it far enough. So is that all I'm saying? Anyway, thank you so much for asking me. Look at, I love it. I love it, and it was easy. Yeah, kudos to you, Pamela. Great tutorial. Loved it. And I will make a few more. Excuse me. I just want to get like, you know, like a beige color or something. But I did end up with a lot of yarn left over, didn't I? Like, that's a substantial amount of yarn. I can make a hat. Speaking of this hat, I made this a while ago. Made a few of them. Haven't talked about them yet. I will be talking about this in my next video. Because every time I go to make a video, something else comes up, and I'm making a video about something else that came up, and I'm missing all the stuff I've made. Okay. Oh, speaking of Classy Kim, that's the bracelet she sent me. Thanks again, Kim. I love it. Okay, everybody have a great day. Ciao. Bye.